Welcome to the research world. In this video, I will show you how to create links for the in-text citation with the references, also known as the hyperlinks. So let's follow the steps. This is my first in-text citation, and this is the reference for this in-text citation. Now, how to create the hyperlink? So first of all, select this relevant reference, then go to the Insert tab, then click on the Bookmark tab and give it a name. Simply click on the Add tab. Now select that in-text citation for which you want to create the hyperlink. Go to the Insert tab, then click on the hyperlink. Now on the left side, select the second option that is placed in this document and choose Relevant Reference. Now click OK. Now you can see that its color has been changed to the blue. Now hold Control key and click on this link. You can see that it automatically will connect to the reference, so you can create the hyperlinks for all the in-text citation in this way. Thank you for watching.